Welcome to ECU's Self-Service Guide for Students. This video will show you how to enroll on the new Colleague Self-Service website. We will review when we will transition, how to reset your password, where to locate Colleague Self-Service, how to find the course catalog, how to create a course plan, and how to request advisor approval. If you are enrolling in summer classes, you will still need to go through My ECU to enroll. If you are enrolling for fall 2021 classes, you will use Colleague Self-Service. You are still able to access any needed documents through My ECU, such as your transcript, degree audits, transfer courses, account holds, degree check, four-year plan, and the ECU academic catalog. Now we will go over how to reset your password. This is for those who don't remember their password or need to update it. Go to the ECU logon page and click Login. Click on Password Reset. Enter your information and click Reset Pass. This will pull up a new page with your username and password. Now we will show you where to find Colleague Self-Service. Go to the ECU website at ecok.edu. Click on the login link at the top of the page, then click Colleague Self-Service. Next, log in using your ECU username and password. The first thing you will need to do this is complete your user agreement. Click on the User Options tab, then click Required Agreements. Then click View. This will pull up your terms and conditions. You will then click Agree. There are two different ways you can start your enrollment process. In the first approach, you can add courses and specific sections to your plan and then submit to your advisor for feedback and approval. Your advisor may approve or deny your choices and then may also add other courses to your plan. The second approach, you and your advisor collaborate together to build your plan. Once your plan has been approved and your advisor marks advisement complete, you will then be able to register. Now we will show you how to plan your course schedule for your advisor's approval. To start on your own, first go to the course catalog. You will find this on the home page. Some of the other tiles may not be available for you at this time. From the course catalog, you will then decide how you want to search for classes. Subject search allows you to look for classes by departments. Advanced search allows you to filter through classes to refine your classes. On advanced search, you can filter by term, subject, course number, day, location, level, time, and type. This is an example how to refine a search. By only inputting the course, you will get all the classes available in that department. By adding the course number, you will get a specific class in that department. And by inputting a section number, you will get a specific section of that class in that department. Please note that sections are different for the same classes. This is because some meet on different days of the week and at different times. After you have searched for your classes, the section listings will appear. This shows all the classes that meet the criteria in your search. To the left is an additional filter option in case you need to refine your search more. Much like the advanced search, you can choose how to filter your search. You can filter by class availability, subject, location, terms, days of the week, time of the week, and instructors. After you have found the classes you are looking for, click Add. Please note that not all courses will have sections if there is only one available class. After you click Add, another window will pop up showing more class details. If you're wanting to take this course, click Add Section. A notification will show Planned, indicating that the course has been added to your plan. Now, we will go over how to enroll with your advisor. From the side menu, click on the Academic tab, then go to Student Planning. From here, Click on Plan and Schedule. Next, click on Advising. Any restrictions you have will show at the top of your screen. These restrictions may prevent you from going any further in your registration process. Click Request Review to send an email notification to your advisor. You can also add notes that will be seen by your advisor. A green notification at the top of your screen will indicate you have successfully submitted your request. You'll be notified through email after your advisor completes a review of your course plan. You must then register for classes. Choose Register Now to choose all classes, or register for each class individually. Use MyECU to find your needed documents and catalogs. You may still need to get your advisor's approval even if you have restrictions. Some restrictions may prevent you from registration. You must complete the registration agreement form before you are able to register. New information and resources will be provided with future phases of colleague implementation. Again, if you're enrolling for summer classes, you will enroll on MyECU. If you are enrolling for fall 2021 classes, you will use ECU's new colleague self-service. Any questions? Contact Academic Success Center at 580-559-5696 or email them at academicadvisingcenter@ecok.edu. Or contact the Office of Admissions and Records at 580-559-5301 or email registrar@ecok.edu.